Welcome to the Tech Sector. Happy New Year's. It is January 4th, 2019. And, well, I'm so excited for 2019. And I've got a huge update coming. So, I just want to quickly tell you guys what we're doing today. So, all we're doing today is upgrading my monitor. So, for my birthday, for Christmas, I got myself a curved Samsung 27-inch monitor, which is going to go great with my curved Samsung 24-inch monitor. So that's going to be going in my workstation right over there. So I'm going to be upgrading from my old HPs to those Samsungs. So we're going to do that in the second half of this video. But the first thing we're going to talk about is our giveaways. So I'm still going to continue to do GPU giveaways, but it's being restricted to the US and Canada only. The reason why is because it's extremely expensive to ship internationally. So this GPU actually belongs to the winner that won it more than a month ago. And the reason why I still have it is because I was waiting for my friend that works at UPS to get back so he'd give me a discount on shipping it. The reason why? It's $115 to ship this 1060 to Singapore where the winner lives. So no more international giveaways. I'm sorry guys, but I'm not going to take that hit of a very expensive shipping charge, especially for the fact that I'm already losing money on any GPU that I give away. So I'm sorry, but it's being restricted just to US and Canada. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about the channel. I'm going to be I'm going to be upgrading. That's another bad word. Basically, I'll be posting a second video every week. So now I will be on a 2-video a week schedule. One video is going to be about whatever tech stuff I'm doing that week, whether it's building a desk PC, building another mining PC, building a wall PC, whatever it may be. That will be the Friday video. The other video will more than likely be uploaded on a weekday, and that's going to be a very short review. So I have a lot of products. I've had a few people approach me about reviewing products that their company makes, and I've had a few people comment and ask me to review a certain mining whatever, whether it's a motherboard or GPU, power supply, whatever it is. If I have it and you want me to review it, let me know. I'll do my best. So I'm not going to be paid for these reviews as of right now, so I'm not sponsored by anybody. So I'm going to keep these reviews very short. I'm going to keep them to just about that 3 or 4 minute mark, and I'm just gonna churn them out as much as I possibly can. And if I could do more than one a week, I will, because I have a lot of stuff and I feel like a lot of people out there might be interested in maybe the review of this light, and when it comes to camera products, you guys already know there's a lot of people out there getting into the videography game, and they might want to know how well does this light stand up. And for example, this is a Godox light. I really like it, but it doesn't stay on the hot shoot. It slides off, so I don't use it at all. So I'm gonna keep the reviews nice and short so I can hit those points real quick. Now, setup update. So I'm really close to being done. I'm coming out with a setup tour 2019 video in just a few weeks, more than likely at the end of January, maybe at the beginning of February. And that's because I only have 3 main things to complete. And we're going to be starting on one of them today. So the desk PCs need to be officially built to their desks, and the sim racing PC needs to be set up. So cut to some footage of my setup upstairs. The reason why is because, as you guys see, that's a wall PC with a quad monitor set up. And guess what? I'm just going to transplant that from upstairs down here, and that will be my new sim racing setup. So I'm going to be using those same monitors, that same PC, and that same steering wheel setup for my sim racing little setup that I'm going to have down here. Now, that's pretty much it as far as the setup goes. I don't really have much more to add as of right now, but I will in the future. So for 2019, I do have a few more little upgrades coming here and there, lighting wise, smart home wise. So I do want to have everything set up through Alexa or some other type of smart device, maybe a Google Home Hub, whatever it's called. And that way I can just say a word and turn on whatever lights, whatever PCs, whatever gaming PCs, whatever it may be. So I'm really happy about that. And I just also will be doing a video showing how I built this basement. So splicing the before picture, and you guys can see before, and well, this is what it looks like after, and I'm still not done. I'm still not done with down here. So it's a pretty big difference from what it was to what it is now. And I'm really happy with the space. I spent, oh man, probably close to 20 grand, maybe even a little bit more, building this out and adding whatever it is I want to add. And I'm really happy with it. You know, I'm not rich. It's something it took me more than a year to build this. So, you know, the space works really well for me. I hang out with my friends and my family down here all the time. It works out really good. I'll splice in some footage right here of we just had a gaming night the other day, and it worked out really, really good. So I'm really happy with the space, and that's it setup wise. So what else do I need to talk about? Ooh, my car. So that's what's eating up a lot of my time. I actually would be done with the setup down here, but I've been trying to work on my car, and I've been trying to build a garage type of thing. So if you want to see my car adventures, follow Project Daily Driven on Instagram or Project Daily Driven on YouTube. And basically what I have is an R32 Skyline, and I have a Tahoe. The Tahoe is for sound and off-roading, and my Skyline's for daily driver street project race car type of thing. I do everything with that car. I drift, I drive it really hard in the street, and that's mostly where I use it. I don't go drift on the tracks. I mean, we fool around in the streets here. That's what I mean by drift. So basically, I want to build that car out, but I don't have anywhere where to work. So I've been spending time building a carport and modifying that carport into basically a garage, so I can have somewhere to actually work in the car in the winter and summer, and that way I'm not in blazing heat or I'm not in the freezing cold with various temperatures and wind and whatever else. So so that's basically my update for now. Let's just jump into upgrading my monitors and maybe talk a little bit more about whatever stuff I have to talk about while I'm upgrading the monitors, and I'll see you guys next time. Why am I saying I'm gonna see you guys next time? I'm gonna see you right over here. All right, guys. So these are HP Pro Display P221s. They're 22-inch monitors, and well, they get the job done. They're free from a client, and the color science is slightly off on one of them. You know, I don't expect much. These are office monitors after all. And I'm also upgrading to this K65 keyboard. I don't like mechanical keyboards. I prefer a soft keyboard like this that's backlit, but I've never really used one as a daily driver, so this will be a good chance for me to test this out. That 24-inch is going to go up top. The new 27-inch is going to go in the bottom. So let's jump straight into this time lapse and tear this setup down. Alright guys, so both monitors are set up with the new keyboard. I like it, it's okay. You know, I still prefer the membrane flat kind of keys, but this is kind of cool. I messed around with this for a little while. And both monitors look really good. This is a curved 27, and well, this Dell's a flat 27. As you can see, I prefer the curve just because for some reason it feels a little bit more immersive. So that's why I prefer it. They do look different because they're on different color profiles, so I still need to calibrate that. But other than that, it's pretty much good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this video right now and then post it. So I'll see you guys next time.